Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Amy Binalay from Barangay Lapogan, Tumambini, Isabela. I am 45 years old, married but single in my passport. My husband is a farmer and a carpenter. I have two daughters aged 19 and 14. My parents are both deceased. I have three brothers and four sisters. I am Catholic and a college level. My hobby is listening music and gardening. I've been working in Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 5 months and served two members of the family, the daughters aged 50 and the mother aged 77 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and washing the dishes, and taking care of two adult women. I can also take care of children. I want to go to work in Hong Kong to earn better salary, to give the best support to my children, especially to their studies. To you, Ma'am and Sir, please hire me as your helper. I am kind, honest, patient, hardworking, and understanding. And I promise to do the duties and responsibilities that you given to me. Thank you.